Hi, do you need a last minute gift idea for your mom for Mother's Day? Well, I have a great DIY with probably stuff you already have at home. If you already have Young Living essential oils, well, here is a perfect thing. All moms love to have beautiful skin. So I have a recipe for a face serum, okay? All you need is get a pretty roller ball like this or like this. Or you can even get a dropper, but I'm going to use a roller ball. Make sure you wash your hands before you start this. Now, the first basic recipe for this face serum are 2 oils from the starter kit, frankincense and lavender. And you can just add 6 to 10 drops each in a 10 milliliter roller ball. So I'm going to do that. There we go. Frankincense. Oops, and now my lavender. And then after that, you can add your carrier oil of choice for your face, your mom's face. There we go. Wow, it's smelling really good. But these oils are excellent for anti-aging and smooth, young-looking skin. Then I'm going to put fractionated coconut oil. Other choices for your face are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, or even grapeseed oil. Now, if you want to up the ante and make this a glow serum for your mom, you can also add 5 drops of these 3 additional essential oils: geranium essential oil, manuka, and cedarwood. I'm just making the basic one here, and I'm going to fill it up with my carrier oil. If you need to, I like to use sometimes a funnel, but I'm just eyeballing it here. There we go. And put the roller ball top on, and maybe make a cool name for this for your mom's serum. But there you go. Any mom or any lady would like this.